G'day guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we will be taking you to the Dingo Sanctuary in Bargo, and then we're off to a secret swim spot in Buxton, and then off to one of the nicest pubs that we've ever been to in the beautiful little town of Picton. So sit back, relax and enjoy another video. Cheers guys.
Believe it or not, they're very sensitive. Yeah. But if you look, if you ever see one in the bush, what to look for to see if it's pure is it'll have a white tip on its tail, and it'll have little white socks and a little white chest.
They mess with each other now.
We've had
in a sanctuary.
Oh, so we've had them. We've got a couple of 15s, and we've had them to 17 and a half. But what we do. But anyhow, okay, Cora and Apari. Okay, these two here used to be on a breeding pair. Okay. Oh, that's another thing.
Alright guys, so just some quick info on the Dingo Sanctuary at Bargo. If you are going to go there, I do recommend that you book in ahead of time. They do take walk-ins, but this sanctuary is run solely on volunteers and they are short-staffed. So if you are just going to rock up on the day, there's a good chance that you'll probably have to wait for the tour group ahead of you to finish before you can just go in. You probably won't be able to go in straight away, as they only have a limited number of staff on at any one time. So I recommend that you book ahead. It is a fantastic experience, and you can pay a little bit extra to hand feed a dingo at the end, and I highly recommend doing that. You can also sponsor dingoes, and they have plenty of like toys and souvenirs and stuff that you can buy at the end. Our tour guide for the day was Bob, who was highly knowledgeable and just made the experience great all around. So I highly recommend checking out the Dingo Sanctuary. It's a great experience to be had by the whole family. The dingoes are beautiful, the place is very well run and well organised. So from there we decided to head into the small town of Buxton to check out a secret swimming spot. Okay guys, so how to get to the Little River swim spot. You want to head to the town of Buxton, turn down Boundary Road, keep left when you come to the fork in the road, and that will take you to a tiny little dirt car park at the very end of the road, and then go through the gate on the left. Take it past the private property and follow it all the way down. So just some info on the walking track that you take down to the Little River swim spot. You go through the gate past the private property and just follow it all the way down. It is very steep though on the way down and obviously on the way back, and I would not recommend it for any less mobile or elderly people. It is quite deceiving on how hard it is. It only goes for about 1 kilometer, but yeah, it is quite deceiving. So from there we decided to take a short drive into the town of Picton to have a look around and get something to eat. Alright guys, that's all from us for another video. We had a great time exploring these areas and the Dingo Sanctuary. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.